So you're on the move, trying to get home, trying to get somewhere. Need to stay warm. Do you build a campfire? It's all like in the Hunger Games. Do you really want to have a fire out where people can see it? I'll cover a Dakota Fire Pit, show you how to be able to get one a little bit more hidden, well, a good bit more hidden. Won't show nearly as much smoke, burns more efficiently, and the flame is mostly underground. So stick around, you'll see. Alright, so what we're doing, we're going to build a Dakota Fire Pit. Use this one a few times to be able to make a few holes. Pretty good.
What a filthy job. Could be worse. How? Could be raining.
Here we have the main fire hole. That is your vent hole. Don't know if you'll be able to see it, goes all the way over to the fire hole. You can see it from right there. So, that's how it comes in. That comes the next fun part. Collecting all the sticks and twigs and everything to get a fire started.
Oh, what a wonderful day. What is that?
Okay, so that is the fire pit. There's no smoke coming off of it. The light's down in the ground. At nighttime, you take your dirt mound, put it around it. That'll allow it to hide it even more. So I'm gonna put a grill on it, see exactly whether I can boil some water. There's 8.5 ounces or something close to it. It's a bull. Not wrong, but it's a bull. Alright, so we'll check back in with the fire after it gets dark. Okay, here's a fire in the Dakota Fire Pit at night. Actually, it's about 5 in the morning. So, it look a little bit different. Let's step away from a little bit, see exactly how hard it is to see from a distance. So we're about 30 yards away. The only thing you can see is just the little tips of the flame, and when it gets down to embers more than this, you won't be able to see that very much.
You're not afraid of the dark, are you?
Dakota Fire Pit. Hopefully from the video you were able to see that little smoke and a little light escape from it. but yet you're still able to get heat and cook with it. So that's the basics behind it. If you're on the run, on the move, don't want people to be able to see you, you want to be able to cover your tracks a little bit better, it's probably one of the best ways to be able to go. So please like the video, subscribe, make comments so that I can answer you back about things. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you next video.
I'm so scared right now. I just want to say to the family of my cameraman,